Shosho, guys, we come back to Speaker Now. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So today, sifuna ukwenza i-reaction about the news of uBravo La Rooks, one of the biggest crapper rappers ade khona la Eastern Cape. Actually, I'm not sure ukuthi singambala under i-Western Cape or Eastern Cape, but ube based e-Cape Town kakhulu. uBravo, ama-news abroke on Monday ukuthi ubekade ese-Switzerland, international trip or something bevashela umngani, but-ke ucommitted suicide. So asazi ukuthi soyithini but uSpeaker Now besifuna nje ukwenza i-review because I think i-biggest loss enkulu kakhulu especially kubantu abalandela i-hip hop le Xhosa trap or isiXhosa because ube both side lo yakube ubekwazi ukrapper bekwazi ukrapper and into engithanda kakhulu ngayo bekade sekwazi ukuthi eventually kwezinye izinto la kudayisa image and stuff. I think ubesebe ku game isikhathi eside so bekade seyitholile ifomula ukwenza imali without ukurelease music. So I think i-big loss enkulu kakhulu because besekhona isikhathi eside nibaningi abantu edebekwela kuyena ube role model abantu abaningi. So uSpeaker Now besifuna nje ukwenza le video because on 2021 the time keep album yakhe leyana uGazi uNyembezi sasenzile review yakhona and wa-reactor wakhona wazokhomenta nakhona lapha ku-video yethu because ube umuntu okade ethepini kwi-culture ngaleyo ndlela. So I think iloss enkulu kakhulu kwi-hip hop. So nje ya uBravo silahlekele and ingoma is outstanding mina ngeke ngazizuza. I think le ethi ekhaya laphana enye ingoma ekhona kule album eyikhiphe ngo-2023. I think that is one of the biggest song yakhe even na ku-YouTube la i-music video yakhona. Then there's also another song ayenze noSjava ibizwa umuntu. So I think ingoma esomkhumbula ngazo nje le. So nje besifuna ukuthi nje rest in peace kuyena uSpeaker Now because I think uyidlalile role yakhe even though I think impilo yakhe phela 30 years. I think bese nento eningi adenganikeza igame but I think abantu abaningi baplakile eCape Town la intwana lezi encane because bekade ethepini ngalo ndlela ne-movement le hip hop. So I think nje as a community hip hop silahlekelwe kakhulu. So uSpeaker Now besifuna ukwenza le video sithi no hayi RIP uTabrazo ubekade ebiza kanjalo even though ekade encane kunabantu abaningi but ubebiza ngoTabravo and I think umusic wakhe uzoqhubeka kube khona because i-catalog yakhe i-strong ngempela. Bekade se-release umusic omningi kakhulu and there's one message engibone ku-Facebook ibhale uZolani Jama laphana i-former manager yakhe because siyakhumbula before drop i-album le ya 2023 bekade esebenzisana close kakhulu noZolana but I don't know what happened to them but baba ne-beef and then ba-split after le album sidrophile and ubekade zama ukuveza i-story sakhe ukuthi no uBravo kwazama uku-reach out again but abakwazanga ukulungisa izinto on time. So I think wena umuntu ozohetheka kakhulu because bebese nalo beef yabo eyenzeka sazi ukuthi babe bangani but babe yi-manager and bahlala ndawona isikhathi eside. So I think yena umuntu ezomlimaza kakhulu into kaBravo but-ke anyway umusic usekhona ku-Spotify ukhona ku-YouTube. I think ama-fans asazo-catch up just ethi nje I feel ngathi i-loss enkulu kakhulu especially kuyi-crap uXhosa crap because one of the coolest rapper kade ekhona like and ubekwazi ukuthepha even kwigqomu like kuma-sound different because ubese-masterishile like i-formula as I said before ukuthi I think omunye umuntu okade ahead kakhulu. So I think i-big loss enkulu kakhulu but-ke umvele enqanga lenza iphutha. Anyway sekhona ku-Twitter ethi Speaker Now, sikhona ku-Facebook Speaker Now, sikhona ku-TikTok c.speaker.now. We out.